I'm Chiquita Banana, and I've come to say bananas have to ripen in a certain way.
Today I'm going to make a breakfast. It was requested by Cynthia Simpson. So Cynthia, shout out to you. This is going to be a triple banana pancake, alright? So what I did here, guys, I just made a normal pancake mix. So I put some sugar, vanilla extract, but if you can see in here, it's got chunks of bananas in there, okay? So instead of just putting it on a regular frying pan and just made one stack at a time, I'm actually going to put it on this baking sheet here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to respray this with ham, and I'm going to make it as a cake. So I recommend that you leave it lumpy because it makes for a much fluffier pancake, alright, when it's in the oven. Okay? So basically, that's all I'm doing for now. So I'm just going to pour some in here. All those chunks of bananas to make sure they're in there. Alright? Spread it out nice and even. Okay? Now, the reason why I use parchment paper, it's for two reasons. One, is I don't want the bottom of the pancake to come out dark because it'll be too much exposed to the heat. And two, once the pancake is done, you can actually pull the parchment paper right off the non-stick tray, and then you let it cool it down, and then we're just going to start slicing them into square pieces. Okay? You preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And you're going to leave it right smack in the middle for 8 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay? So, my oven, guys. Alright, this is how it's going to look. Just throw it right in there. And we'll be back 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, guys, so while the pancake is in the oven, 400 degrees, like I said, from 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to start off on the banana cream, okay? So I'm just going to take my little knife here. I like to get the bananas bruised, okay? Because when they're bruised, they're nice and ripe, okay? Makes for the best bananas. Alright, so I'm just going to make little just throw them in there. I'm just going to add some heavy cream. Alright, some sugar. I'm just going to bring this into a simmer, and then I'm just going to add some more ingredients. So be right back. Alright guys, as you can see, it's starting to simmer now. Okay, and it's going to start getting a little bit thick. So what I want to do is I just want to add just a splash of honey. Okay, not too much. And just a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay. So I'm just going to keep stirring this. As you can see, the sauce is starting to get thicker now. Okay? And this actually is going to be the topping for my triple banana pancake. Okay? So now as it simmers, this here is a regular thermos, okay, for coffee or tea. I'm not going to use this sauce right now, but I know if I let it rest, it's actually going to get thick, it's going to get lumpy, it's actually going to become a mess. So I have a little trick for you guys, in case you ever make any sauces or cream, and you want to serve it at a later date. Boil some water. Make sure the hot water, boiled water is inside here, okay? Empty out the hot water, pour the mixture in here that's hot, cover it, the texture will stay the same up to an hour. Okay? And then you can use it later. So here we go. Okay? It's starting to get a little thick. I actually wanted it a little thicker. So I'm going to lower down the flame a little bit. And just use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, okay? Now this is the thing. Just with flour, cornstarch, or whatever you're using. Let's turn this off. As you can see, they usually come packed, see? And if you just throw it in there, it's on a hot liquid, what's gonna happen is it's gonna form little balls of flour, and inside is not, it's just going to be raw. So I suggest you just take the amount that you need and put it on a shifter or a strainer, okay, and just let it naturally come down through, so when it hits your food, okay, it's nice and loose, so you'll be able to mix it and stir it and not worry about any lumps being created, okay? And we'll be back. Alright guys, so it's been it's about 10 minutes already since I put the pancakes in the oven. Alright, so I'm going to take these suckers out. As you can see, they're nice and golden brown. Actually looks like a cake. Okay. I'm not going to lift it yet because I'm not going to disturb it because it could actually crack. So I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit. And then I'm going to start with my plating. Look, right. My banana pancake now has been cooled. Okay, and I'm just gonna peel it just a little bit, just to get it off the parchment paper. All right, there you go. Parchment paper set. Now what I want to do is I'm going to cut them into squares. This is for Valentine's. Right? I want to make sure I get the perfect square for it. Okay? Right, guys? And then I'm going to use the cutter. Okay? Get a nice heart going. Okay. I have some bananas here. And some mascarpone cheese. Okay. So I'm just going to do a nice little light mixture of banana and mascarpone. Just going to fold it just a little bit. Mixture here of banana and mascarpone cheese. Okay. Just going to add a little bit of sugar. Just a touch of cinnamon. Okay. Just want to fold. Now I'm going to do a few of these. I'm just going to show you what I'm actually going to do. Right, Cynthia? So this was the double out of the triple. So you have the banana already inside the pancake. And you're going to have the banana and the mascarpone cheese as a stuffing. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the oven. I'm going to make a few more back in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 4 minutes until it's nice and melted, and then we'll start the plating. All right, my banana pancake should be done. Okay, as you can see, it's melting. Just want to fix it a little bit here. All right, so I'm just gonna grab it. Just want to plate it. Okay. Alright, just give me a second. We still gonna go with the plating process. Just like underneath. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of just dust a little bit with chocolate. This on top on this one. The other one I'm going to leave alone. A bit of white chocolate. Okay. This one here, I'm going to put some white chocolate. Dark chocolate. Okay. A little turkey bacon on this one here. It's fine. A little bit of home fries on this here. Okay. A little bit of honey on this one. Okay. Oh, a banana fell out. Let's put the banana back in. Where are you going? Okay. That's it. Syrup. And this is the banana cream, okay? So just enough to go on top. Okay. Okay. Let's top it over with some lemon zest here. Lime zest. And I have that habit, calling lime, lemon, and lemon and lime. Okay, just give it that color. Beautiful. Just give it that color. Alright, so just sips, and there you have, okay? Triple banana pancakes. So you got the pancake that has built-in bananas. You got your mascarpone cheese with your bananas. And you got your banana cream right on top. Bon appetit.